Okay, so I'm going to clean, before I put the bumper back on, I'm going to clean the headlights, buff them up a little bit. There are so many different ways to do this. Today I'm using Colgate Max Fresh cooling crystals. I'm going to use a little bit of water. I am not a professional at this, but you need a little bit of water and you need one of these. I saw a German mechanic I had working with me, and he did it, and he looked pretty good. So you get the toothpaste on there, and just gently clean them up. I don't know how long to go with this, but not staying on one area for too long. These headlights have been sealed up with RTV silicone sealant. Okay, let's have a look at that. I'm not going to go too mental with it. Get a sponge, wipe it down. Actually, I'm pretty impressed with that for my first ever headlight buff. I normally pay somebody else to do it. Go and get a bit of blue paper. Okay, it's not brand new. I'm going to give it another coat. Let's do it again. Bit of toothpaste on. Smear it around. A little bit of water. Let's buff it up and see what happens. Smells good. Okay, is that better than that? Oh yeah, it is actually better than this side. So they're not brand new. Maybe if there was a headlight cleaner, would go a bit more on them, but I think I'm going to just, I don't know, I'm not an expert on this, so I'm just going to leave it as that, right? So we're going to do the other side.